Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a text message from Gmail. This is a really useful feature when you want to reach someone's phone directly without leaving your email, and it works through something called an SMS gateway. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to www.gmail.com. This is where you'll access your Gmail account to send the text message. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll need to sign in, enter your email address, and click the button that says Next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and type that in, then click Next again. This will log you into your Gmail account and bring you to your inbox. Now that you're signed in, it's time to compose your message. Look for the Compose button, which is typically located on the left side of your screen. Click on it to open a new email window. This is where you'll draft the text message you want to send. Here's where things get a bit different from a regular email. In the top field, instead of typing an email address, you'll need to enter the recipient's phone number followed by their carrier's SMS gateway address. The format looks like this. Type the 10-digit phone number without any country code, then add the @ symbol and finish with the gateway address. For example, if you're texting a Verizon number, it might look like 123456789 at vtext.com. Each carrier has its own gateway address, so make sure you're using the correct one for the recipient's phone carrier. Next, click into the message body and type your text message. Keep in mind that most SMS gateways work best with shorter messages, around 160 characters or so. This helps ensure your message arrives as a single text rather than being split into multiple parts. Take a moment to review your message and make sure it's clear and within that character limit. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply click the Send button. Your email will be converted into a text message and delivered to the recipient's phone through their carrier's SMS gateway. It's a straightforward way to send text directly from your Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.